残念ながら勝利した会の要請によりストックホルムの東京への郵便延期することを選択しました。ストックホルムの東京
Hi, I'm Zuki, and thank you so much for watching my first video. I had a ton of fun making it, and I'm so happy with the way that the computer has turned out. Now, if you're interested in seeing how I built it and what my thought process was, I have a video for exactly that on my channel, so check that out. If you like what you saw, definitely hit that like button. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of it, and definitely leave a comment down below if you have ideas on any other projects that we might do and put some pretty footage behind it. So, thank you again, and I'll see you on the next one.